a few more. Hey guys, this is Deepa and welcome to my YouTube channel Beauty Unscripted with D. This is my first video and from now onwards I'm gonna post videos on beauty, makeup, skincare, fashion, anything. So अगर आप college student हो or you're a working professional, this channel is for everyone. Now let's get into the video. So now we are going from this to this. Let's get into it. So the first key to the makeup, any makeup you do, Mauve Wife, Douyin makeup, Roblox makeup. The first is hydration. Just prep your skin. I'm using this moisturizer. Wait, let me put on my headband and just give me a minute. Ooh, what is that? Now, let's prime our face. I'm using my Nykaa Prep Me Up. I usually get oily around my T-zone. So I'm gonna let this primer sit for 1 minute because immediately if you're gonna put makeup na, तो वो ऐसे उठने लगता है makeup. So I'm gonna let it sit for 1 minute. What I'm gonna do is I have marks around my face, like some redness over here, some black marks. I'm just gonna cancel it using a concealer palette. This one is from Mars Cover Range palette. So I'm using this orange one here under my eyes and I'm using my finger only. Here the marks are a bit red, so I'm using this green one. Also I'm using this purple right here to cancel out some yellowishness on my face, like here and here. Now moving on to the foundation. I'm gonna use this Mars one. I'm taking just 2 pumps. And now I'm gonna use this Lumi Matte one and I'm just gonna mix both of them. Now I'm using this Mars brush, my favorite one honestly, and I'm just gonna mix it well.
A few moments later. One eternity later.
I'm taking my wet beauty blender and I'm just gonna dab. My disposable. Now I'm setting my face around my eye area. Now for this particular look, blush placement is right below my eyes right here. I'm not kind of using any other blush, but I'm using this lipstick. This is supposed to be a dupe of Charlotte Tilbury. This is from Mars, by the way, and I love this shade. Like, this is a rosy shade. The shade name is Pretty in Pink. I'm just gonna... So I have done my blush placement, but I'm just gonna contour my face a bit with the cream contour. I'm using the same palette to give my face a more lifted look. I'm just gonna contour right here. Right now we're moving on to eyes. The first thing that I'm gonna do is eyebrows. I'm just gonna brush them, fill a bit. I'm using a black eyeshadow normally. As a brown skin girly, I have to use a concealer to base up my eyes and I'm blending it with a brush. Now I'm taking this Mars eyeshadow palette and using this light pink shade and then using it on my crease line and blending it out with a fluffy brush. Make sure to blend it up to the outer corner of your eyes. Now I'm taking a deeper pink shade and deepening the effect in my outer corner especially and dragging it up to the middle of my eyes. Now I'm taking a light pink and putting it in the middle of my eyes. It gives a very lighter to deeper effect and I love it on my eyes. And I'm gonna do the same in this eye. Giving some white eyeshadow in the inner corner and voila. And we're done with our eyes. Now I'm taking a deep brown shade to give my eyes a ague cell effect. If you don't know, ague cell is supposed to give you a rounder and fuller eyes. Blend it, it should not look like a raccoon. Now I'm taking the same thing that I have used above and just gonna... Now I'm using a white eye pen. The idea of using a white pencil is because it deepens the effect of ague cell in brown or dark complexions. Just use the same eye pencil you use for tight lining your eyes. And now I'm going to use my regular eyeliner. We just have to make a small wing. Honestly, I was shocked that I am doing this eyeliner in one go. I did both the eyeliners in one go, honestly. And now here is my face of victory. Ta-da! You see how tight lining changes the eyes a bit? Now what I'm gonna do is tight line the side of my eyes with a white eyeliner. And we are gonna top it off with a mascara. Bit of a pink. Just gonna... As per the picture or our inspo, it has a very pink lips, but if I will just apply the pink lipstick, it's gonna look like I've eaten a concealer, very ashy, because I have two lips. First I'm gonna outline my lips with a brown lip liner. And now I'm gonna use the same lipstick that I used before. I love this lipstick. I love the packaging, everything. It just glides. Now, if you can closely look at the picture, there is this shining effect. And for that, initially I thought that I will just use a highlighter or something. But no, I forgot. I got this in my PR and I love this one. This is a plumping gloss but with a hint of shimmer. So we're not gonna entirely cover up our lips, but we are only giving our lips the balmy effect, the shine where it needs in the upper and the bottom lips. And look at that shine. The look is just coming together. We are done with our look. I'm just gonna put on my dress and do my hair and just come in 1 minute. And ta-da! So what do we think?
I think I kinda nailed this look, but I also want to know it from you. What is your thoughts? Let me know in the comments. Did I hit it or I missed the Roblox Douyin makeup look?
Make sure to hit the subscribe button and like this video, and you can follow me up on Instagram at @deepa_here, and I will see you next time. And don't forget to save this video and yes, bye.